Hello everyone, today I'm going to make fried enoki mushroom. First of all, we need to wash enoki mushroom. I'm going to use 3 bags of enoki for this one. I'm going to use this batter flour and mix with chickpea flour. This is raw chickpea flour. Since I use chickpea flour, I will need to add few more salt. Let's add water and mix them well together. We will get something like this, and let's start adding enoki. Let's add oil into a pan. We will need more oil for enoki to be crispy. Now the oil is hot, so let's add our mushroom. Okay guys, it's done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.